The highlight is clearly the huge power increase M Performance has wrought out of the 2.0-liter turbocharged B48A20T1i4, a 71 horsepower bump, up to 312 in total. Torque remains the same at 295 lb-ft. Faster to 60 miles per hour. When we tested that very same xDrive 28i, it sprinted to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds, 0.6 seconds quicker than what BMW claimed. With this newfound power and some additional drivetrain improvements, the new X1 M35i xDrive drops the claimed 0 to 60 time down to 5.2 seconds. We'd wager that BMW is still being conservative here. Drivetrain. As we said, there are changes to the 2024 X1 M35i xDrive's drivetrain to improve traction and handling. The 7-speed Steptronic transmission features a mechanical limited-slip differential for the front axle, while the rear axle uses BMW's xDrive software and an electro-hydraulic clutch that controls drive torque to those rear wheels. Sport-ier Boost. The software controlling the Steptronic in the M35i also features an M Sport Boost function, just like in the regular X1. When you pull on the left paddle shifter for at least 1 second, the system enters its sportiest setting for both the powertrain and the chassis systems. Adaptive suspension, tighter steering. Of course, it wouldn't be an M model without some tweaking to the suspension and steering. The X1 M35i comes with BMW's adaptive M suspension that is driver adjustable. It also comes with a new sport steering system that uses a very direct ratio on the speed-sensitive Servotronic power steering assist. Big stoppers. The 2024 X1 M35i xDrive comes standard with a set of 19-inch M wheels finished in a bicolor treatment paired with two 45/45 or 19102HXL all-season tires. Why so big? Why, to fit the massive standard brakes, but those aren't even the best ones you can get. Upgrade to the M compound brakes and you'll get a set of 15.2-inch front-drilled discs up front with 4-piston fixed calipers, and the rear gets a set of 13-inch discs with single-piston floating calipers. You can also get the X1 M35i with 20-inch wheels wrapped in non-flat tires. Top speed. With those standard all-season tires, the 2024 X1 M35i xDrive has a top speed of 130 miles per hour. But when fitted with a set of optional high-performance tires, that top speed increases to 155 miles per hour. Not a shabby maximum velocity for a little 4-cylinder SUV. No mistaking it. The suspension and engine aren't the only things touched by M Performance. The exterior of the 2024 BMW X1 M35i xDrive is distinct from the standard X1 in its use of aerodynamic improvements in the bumpers, side skirts, rear diffuser, and rear spoiler. Big pipes. The neighbors will probably also know it as the X1 M35i xDrive has a set of 4 3.1-inch diameter exhaust pipes. You'll also find M-specific touches in the kidney grills and black M exterior mirror caps with twin stalks. M touches inside. The cockpit of the X1 M35i features M Performance parts like the steering wheel, Live Cockpit Plus with BMW Maps navigation, black Sensitex/Alcantara sport seats with blue contrast stitching and light-up M logos on the upper seat backs, and a Harman Kardon premium sound system. To stand out more, you'll want the M Sport Professional package that adds extended Shadowline exterior trim, M Shadowline headlights, red or blue painted M Sport brakes, and M Sport seats. Premium upgrades. There is also the optional premium package for the 2024 X1 M35i xDrive that adds an interior camera with anti-theft recording, a surround view camera with 3D view, drive recorder, and video augmented reality overlays with navigational directions. Standard functions are also upgraded with remote software upgrades, over-the-air, or OTA, updates for software updates, implement improvements, and can even add new functions. Can it do SUV things? Despite the improvements by M Performance, the X1 M35i is still an SUV. The cargo capacity with the rear seats up is a generous, for its size, 25.7 cubic feet, but with the 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds seats folded down, that capacity increases to 46.9. The interior also gets 4 USB-C ports and 2 12V power sockets to keep everything you own powered and connected. Updated BMW iDrive. The 2024 BMW X1 M35i xDrive will also feature BMW's latest version of iDrive using the newest version BMW Operating System 9 and Quick Select. The new, flat menu structure makes getting to your functions and apps more convenient, according to BMW, but still keeps driver focus in line using the BMW curved display. Not a bad price either. If you're looking to get your hands on the 2024 BMW X1 M35i xDrive, it'll start at $50,895. That said, the sky's the limit if you add optional parts and packages and perhaps, unfortunately, dealer markups. Coming soon. You also won't have to wait for very long, as the launch of the X1 M35i xDrive is set to begin in October, and the ultimate X1, like all the other X1s, will be built at the BMW Group plant in Regensburg, Germany.